Hey guys, so today I work on the blue stretched mini bike. I get the brakes on, get a chain tensioner on it, and I angle out the handlebars so it's way more stable, and I go ahead and do a top speed run. So hope you enjoy the video. How's it going, everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and today I'm going to be working on the stretched mini bike again. And as you may know, if you watched the last video on this, I had to take off the brakes because they wouldn't have hit the tire anymore. So today I want to get the brakes fixed, and there's a few other small things, but let's go ahead and get into it. There we go. I can put a cotter pin through there. Okay, now that I got the brakes finished, I'm gonna go ahead and have something coming up from here to hook on here, just so I can keep the chain tensioner tight. There we go, sweet. Okay, now that I got the chain tensioned up, I want to go ahead and do a burnout. I want to go ahead and take the handlebars, cut it, and then angle it out, because when it's like this, you turn it just a little bit and it affects it way too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those cut, and then we'll re-weld them. There we go. I can drive around like that. There we go. As you can see, they're no longer pointing straight at you. Okay guys, now that we got the brakes done, the chain tensioner, and the handlebars, I think I'm ready to take for a test drive. actually like fairly stable. A lot more stable than I thought it would be. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do a top speed run. I'm gonna say it probably does, I don't know, 28, 30, something like that. See what the top speed was. 35.9. Wow. So 36. Wow, wow, it's so stable it actually feels slower than it is. That's the fastest project yet. Just wait till I get that there we go, guys. I think it's pretty much almost done. There's a few more things I need to do to it, but I think I'm gonna have to save that for next video. But anyway, guys, I think that's gonna have to do it for this video. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.